Hello everyone and welcome back. Hope you guys doing great. Today in this video I'm going to explain the Ipv4 classes of IP addresses. So here we are already made this slide for Ipv4. So Ipv4 has 5 classes of IP addresses. So Ipv4, as you can see here, we have this class A, B, C, D and E. So we are going to explain from class A, and also I'm going to show you that how we are going to see the IP address on our PC. So here the number of hosts that we can assign on our network is for class A is 16,077,214. So the number of networks that we use for class A is 126. So mean the more number of hosts that you are going to get from an IP address means that the more host you can assign, the more address you can assign to your PCs on your network. So here, as you can see, for the public IP range for class A is start from 1 to 127. And the private IP range is going to start from 10 to this 10, which is .255.255.255. So the subnet that we use for class A is 255.0.0.0. Subnet means that the more number of hosts that you can get here is shown by 0. 0 means the more number of hosts or address that we can assign IP with this class. So here, as you can see, for class B we have 65,534 number of hosts that we can assign on our network. So the number of network that we use with class B is 16,382. So the public IP range is going to start from 128 to 191. So means that this class is this range is for the public IP range, as you can see, 128.0.0.0 and 192.255.0.0. So the two number of, or the two octet of the class B is we cannot assign as a network ID. Only two portion or two octet of the class B that we can use to assign IP address. And for class A, as you can see, we have 127.0.0.0, means that here we can use 3 portion. As you can see, for the subnet, it's obviously showing us that we can assign IP address from 3 more octet of this 0, which is this subnet. So here with private IP range. For the private IP range for the class B, we have 72.16.0.02, 172.31.255.255, and the subnet that we use for class B is 255.255.0.0. So here, as you can see, for private IP range that we use, this range is showing us that this is from class B. So we already post a video that how we are going to assign IP from class A, from class B, and also from class C. So if you see this IP that we use to assign on a network, or you may see it on any other networks, you should know that this range or private IP range is the class B IP range of Ipv4. For class C, so the number of hosts that we use is really a number which is 254, which is a lower number than this B and A, and the number of hosts is 2,097,150, a number which we use for number of network. And the public IP range is going to start from 192 to up to 223. So here, as you can see, for a class C we have 223.255.255.0. For the private IP range that we use is 192.168.0.0, and the range is going to be 192.168.255.255. So as you can see, for the subnet for the class C, we have 255.255.255.0. So 3 octet of this subnet with class C, we cannot use it to assign IP. The only portion or host that we can use is the last octet or portion of this IP and the subnet that we can use to assign IP. So with class C, we can only assign IP address from the last octet of the IP. So by subnet mask, it's going to show us that we can use to assign IP address with class C. So here for class D and for class E, D is a multicast, and the range is a start. As you can see, the public range that we have for class A is a start from 1 to 127, and for class B we use 128 to 191, and for class C is 192 to 223, and for class D we use 224 to 239. As you can see, .255.255.255. So this is the range of the public that we use for the class D, and the class E is reserved for research, and these two classes we don't use it in our network. So this is used for multicasting and this is reserved for research. And also the range of this public IP range is going to start from 240 to 255. So now we know the range of the IP address, the public range of IP addresses for class of IP version 4. So now we know this is going to be the ranges that start for the class IP version 4. So we already posted a video that how we are going to assign IP from class A, from class B, and from class C. So let me show you that I'm already posted a video that how we are going to find IP address on our Windows PC. So again, I'm going to show you here. So we're going to type this ipconfig/all. So this command is really help us to find IP address. So as you can see here is with wireless, this IP is assigned to my PC, which is 192.168. So now we know that 192.168 is the from class C IP address. So if we see this 172.16, it means that we assign IP address from class B. Or if we see this 10, so it means that this is assigned IP address from class A. So here, as you can see, we have this 127.0.0.0, and also we have this IP address which is called a loopback IP address, which we can test our TCP IP connection in our PC. So here I'm going to type this ping 1. Let me just copy 127.0.0.1. So if I'm going to hit enter, this IP is always available in your PC because this is a loopback address. So this is going to help you to test your TCP IP connection inside your PC. So I'm going to hit enter. As you can see, I can receive a reply, mean that my TCP IP is working fine. So you should remember this, that this 127.0.0.1 is the IP of loopback address with your PC. So this is how we use the IP addresses in our networks. So now we know the concept behind the IP version 4 classes of IP address. Now we know the ranges. Now we know the ranges for private and also for the public. Now we know the subnet mask for different classes IP of address, and also now we know the number of hosts that we used with different classes of IP address IP version 4, and also now we know the number of networks with IP version 4 as well. So hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you guys learn IP version 4. So if you have any question, guys, please let me know in the comment box of this video. So see you guys until next video.